It's time to get this party started.
We must be concerned about the elevation of the fear to move from childhood to adulthood.
That was college back in the day.
And this is now. So you know what? I think I'm gonna leave now.
You in love right now?
That's hot?
Don't get caught running game.
You know, I'm a grown woman, Keith. I know when I'm ready.
She asked me if I love her.
What?
I said love couldn't describe the feeling I have for her.
You just hang in there. It'll be all right.
Drop me the gun.
What? Why you all looking like this? Because you can't handle it.
Jerome's not coming? Oh, he'll be here. He's just gonna be a little late.
Jerome, you know you my boy.
Hold up. Hey, what you saying there? No, I could've sworn you saying man.
That's not the point.
It is the point. Everything is just so complicated.
Don't even feel like a family anymore.
This is